Hi guys, welcome to ITRXpert again.
Today, in this video of the ITRXCEL course, we will practice copy and paste in Excel. Copying and pasting is a fundamental skill in Excel that can significantly enhance your productivity. While it might seem simple, understanding the different methods and options can save you time and effort. We will start with basic copying and pasting. This is the most common method. Select the cells you want to copy. Click the Copy button on the Home tab or press Ctrl+C. Select the destination cell where you want to paste the data. Click the Paste button on the Home tab or press Ctrl+V. Again, instead using the keyboard, it is possible to copy and paste just using the right button of the mouse to open the context menu or the clipboard section of the Home ribbon menu using the left button of the mouse. It is also possible to move cells with cut and paste. If you want to relocate cells within your worksheet, use the Cut function. Select the cells you want to move. Click the Cut button on the Home tab or press Ctrl+X. Select the destination cell where you want to move the cells. Click the Paste button or press Ctrl+V. Again, instead using the keyboard, it is possible to copy and paste just using the right button of the mouse to open the context menu or the clipboard section of the Home ribbon menu using the left button of the mouse. The fill handle is a quick and efficient way to copy formulas across a range of cells in Excel. Here's how to use it. Enter your formula. In the cell where you want to start, input your formula. For example, we want to add the values in cells B3 and C3, entering in D3 the formula equals B3 plus C3. Now we will select cell D3 and locate the fill handle. Hover your mouse over the bottom right corner of the cell containing the formula. The cursor will change to a small black plus sign. This is the fill handle. Drag the fill handle. Click and hold the fill handle, then drag it down or across the range of cells where you want to copy the formula. As you drag, Excel will automatically adjust the cell references in the formula based on their relative positions. Release the mouse. Once you've dragged the fill handle to the desired range, release the mouse button. The formula will be copied to all selected cells, with the cell references adjusted accordingly. Pause the video, copy the table and practice with the fill handle. Finally, we will explore the advanced pasting with Paste Special, which offers granular control over what you paste. We will copy the cells as usual. Then we will right-click the destination cell and select Paste Special. Here, you can choose to paste. Let's have a look on the options. First, we will select from cell D2 to cell D8 and will copy, either with Ctrl+C or right-clicking on the mouse or using the clipboard section of the Home ribbon. 1. Values. This option will paste only the data as a value, ignoring the formatting and any formulas. 2. Formulas. This option will paste only the formulas and their references, ignoring the formatting. 3. Formats. This option will paste just the cell formatting. 4. Transpose. With this option, rows become columns and vice versa. 5. Picture. It will paste the cells as an image. Well done, everyone! Keep up with the good work and don't forget to save.
If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Thank you.